Hi everyone, today we will discuss this problem of arrays where we need to find a pair that has a difference of d. Considering this unsorted array with size 6 and the difference that we're looking for is 60. As we can see, if we subtract a of 3 from a of 5, that is 100 minus 40, we get a difference of 60, and in this case we'll return true, else we are going to return false. We can solve this problem by two nested loops, but with that way the time complexity of the program is big O of n square. So we can optimize the solution by sorting the array first, and here I have used C++ sort function that takes two parameters, the array and the length up to which we want the array to be sorted. The time complexity of this sorting method is big O of n log n. Once the sorting is done, we're going to traverse linearly through the array to set the target, and the value of target would be a of I plus d, which is difference, and for each iteration of the loop we are going to binary search the target. The time complexity of this step would be big O of n log n. As the linear traversal has a time complexity of big O of n, and the binary search has a time complexity of big O of log n. Now both the steps of this solution has a time complexity of big O of n log n. Therefore the overall time complexity of the solution would be big O of n log n. Now let's look at the code. Here I have used two methods, the main method and the other one is used for searching the difference. First we take some user input, which is the size of array, the elements of the array and the difference. Then we sort the array using C++ sort function. And then we call the search function that returns true if any pair matches the given difference, and we return false otherwise. I'm using a variable str to store the value of string based on the output of the search function. In case the function returns true, we're going to print there is at least one pair in the array that has a difference of 60, else we will print there is no such pair in the array that has a difference of 60. Moving on to the search function, it takes three parameters, the array itself, the size of the array and the difference. First we use a for loop to set the target as a of I plus d, and for resetting the start and end indices for the binary search. Now for the binary search we use a while loop that runs until the value of start is less than equal to the value of end. We find the middle index of the array and store a of mid in the variable named value. Then we check if value is equal to target to return true, else if the value is greater than the target we search the left half of the search base by replacing the value of end with mid minus 1, and we look for the right half by assigning mid plus 1 to the value of start in case the value is less than the target. Let's run the program. The size of the array is 5 and the elements are 1, 8, 30, 40 and 100. The difference given is 60. So we get the output saying there is at least one pair with the given difference, and that pair is 40 and 100. Let's check the solution for the unsorted array with the same size and difference, but in this case the elements are 1, 8, 30, 40 and 100, and here also we get the same result. Check out the link in the description below to get the code. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.